The beauty of Macau. So we're actually on a street called Tomás Pereira Avenue, and then down there is called Nordeste de Taipa, which is like the northeast of Taipa, which is the street down that way. And there's another street in the middle. So I think what I'm going to be doing on this particular street is capturing streets by driving, because it's a little bit easier, because it's such a long walk to drive all the way around this one. And just to kind of give you some context, there's a university right here, several universities. There's even UTM over there. So, okay. So we're going to attempt to drive and try to give you an idea of what it looks like. And the driving might be a little bit of a challenge, because it's a little bit challenging down that way. But anyways, I do want to capture this for you, because it is quite beautiful. All right. Stay tuned. Let's put this up on the map. Driving Macau. I know you guys like these videos. Okay, let's just kind of show you the route that we're taking. This is the name of our street that we're going to be driving down, or several streets. And anyways, let's just get right into it and drive as if you're in the car with me. All right, as if you're there yourself. Before we get into the car, let me just kind of give you a little bit of ideas of different things. So there's a bridge right there. That bridge connects the northern part of Macau to Taipa Island. There's another bridge behind it that goes all the way to Hong Kong. And then you can see the Macau side in the distance behind these buildings. And there's another bridge, we call it the middle bridge. That one connects the casinos Lisboa all the way to Taipa. And then there's another one that connects Ocean Gardens to Macau Tower over there. So there's there's one bridge there, two bridges. There's another bridge on the China side. So it's a little bit out of view right now, but if it wasn't so dark, if it wasn't so cloudy, there's actually three there. And there's actually 1, 2, 3 over here. There's another one. So anyways, there's 6 bridges all within our view. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna drive this and go around in a whole circle, and we'll label it accordingly with both of the streets. Okay, let's get in the car. All right, let's do this. Get this in the car and let's get going. Okay, so that's our view. We're on the Tomás Padre. Well, you can see the name down below. But yeah, look at that view. So when you're up on this road, you have that beautiful view of the Macau side. And then yeah, the universities are straight ahead, so you can see like UTM and such like that. And you got more mountains too. So actually that's one of the beautiful things about Macau, is that because it's basically like a peninsula and islands, this is called Taipa Island, you have all these hills, because of course islands, they go kind of above the sea level, right? Okay, so to do this, we're gonna have to go slightly into the city, slightly, briefly, and then we're gonna go down this other street. And I can't go down that street until I go around this roundabout thing. That'll all make sense in a few minutes. So now you can see the city and the beauty of that. So this is called Taipa Central. So this is basically where all the residential things are at. There's Altira Hotel straight ahead. And we're gonna go back down and up, but it'll give you an idea of Macau. So to get along that waterfront, we're gonna have to go and follow this down and go back up. It'll all make sense in a few minutes. And then you can see this other hill. This one is called Taipa Pequeño. It's like a little island. And then believe it or not, this island used to be, where we're driving now, would have been ocean at one time, and then that island would have had ocean between this one and the other island. So now we are not where we want to be at the moment, but it's okay, because we're just going to take a little bit of a circle around. But it does give you an idea of Macau nonetheless. And straight ahead would be a waterfront, a boardwalk waterfront, where you can walk around and take a look at everything. But we're not going to be going there. We're going to be taking a like a hairpin turn, I guess you'd call it. There is the bridge to Macau. That's the name of the bridge. It's like Governor, it's named after a previous governor. And now, what we're going to be doing is going directly back into Macau. You can see the beauty of the city. And then as soon as we get a chance, we're going to be taking a left onto Nordeste, which was one of our targets. That'll all make sense in a few minutes. Turn those windshield wipers off. Yeah, the beauty of the buildings, right? So we're definitely on the peripheral part. We're kind of following the water part, actually. And then when we turn on Nordeste, we'll still be following the water part. And then we're going to go back up to the hill where we started at. So that's our general plan. And now we are on Nordeste. So this was one of the streets that I wanted to be on. And that one straight, that one that goes up is Padre, Tomás. And then this one is Nordeste de Taipa. I'll label them both accordingly. You have a beautiful temple right there to the right. Nice, beautiful mansion-looking buildings to the right as well. And there's the bridge over there. I have a fast car behind me, so I'm going to just let that person go real quick. A lot of people, they like to drive really fast in the city of Macau, so he's definitely in a hurry. So I can't just casually go at the speed that's I don't know what the speed limit is here, but in general it's not a good street to fly down really fast, but some of the people want to do that. Okay. So to the right is some beautiful buildings that overlook the ocean. And I can't remember the name of this apartment building, but they have a waterfront that goes down, so you can see the bridge down that way. But we're almost water level at the moment, ocean level. And we're still on our long street of Nordeste de Taipa. But we're going to come up to a roundabout. If we wanted to take a left here, we could take a bridge to the Macau side. But we were going to go into that complete circle. So I believe we're still on Nordeste at the moment. And then our other street is going to be right here where the roundabout starts. So this roundabout, we're going to go up. It's going to start raining really hard now. So now we're coming back up into the universities again. You have some bridges that students can use to get to classes and walk across, going over the road. And kind of connect like third or fourth story to another third or fourth story, stuff like that. And now we're basically back to where we started. So we were up here earlier, right? And now it's quite wet and rainy. That was our little tour. Hope you like that one. So much rain. And with that note, we'll end our video. Bye from Macau.